Hello, good day. I'm making this video on the above topic, metabolism. What is metabolism and what metabolism is all about? The term metabolism is more pronounced in the field of biochemistry. We have a bunch of chemical reactions taking place within the living system. And we have a particular discipline which studies these bunch of chemical reactions taking place within the living system. And it is called biochemistry. Biochemistry studies chemical reaction within living organisms. Biochemistry studies the molecular interactions which result to biological process or physiological processes. Biochemistry studies plant, animals, and the most primitive creatures which are the microorganisms down to molecular levels. Biochemistry is using the knowledge of chemistry to integrate the biological processes within living organisms. Biochemistry have its aim at understanding how does the biological process occur. And that is why biochemistry is referred to as the study of the chemistry of biology. Now, putting these chemical reactions into consideration, we have hundreds of these chemical reactions which are simultaneously taking place within our bodies. And these chemical reactions are in a well-organized and integrated manner. That is, they are not just occurring anyhow, but in an orderly way. By quantifying and summing these chemical reactions, so the entire spectrum of all these chemical reactions are collectively referred to as metabolism. So simply, metabolism refers to the sum total of all chemical reactions taking place within the living system. Metabolism can be broadly classified into two. We have the catabolism and anabolism. Meanwhile, there are some reactions that are catabolic in nature, whereas some are anabolic in nature. Catabolism is degradative and it releases energy. That is, larger molecules are broken down into smaller ones. For example, the food we eat needs to be broken down into smaller ones for our body to absorb in order to use the nutrients decomposed. We have anabolic or anabolism, which is synthetic and it consumes energy. That is, in catabolic or catabolism, energy is being released, while in anabolism, energy is being consumed. And all that are chemical reactions. We also have some chemical reactions which are both catabolic and anabolic in nature. For example, the Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle is both catabolic and anabolic in nature, and it is referred to as amphibolic pathway. So amphibolism is talking about a pathway or reaction which is both anabolic and catabolic in nature. We have metabolic map or metabolic pathway. Metabolic map or metabolic pathway is representation of the sequence or series of reactions starting from the reactant, intermediate to product. So the presentation of the product, reactant, and intermediate in the sequence or series of reaction is referred to as the metabolic pathway or metabolic map. For example, glycolysis shows the degradation of glucose. And when you go through the sequence or series of reaction, you get to see that the sequence or series of reaction have 10 steps of series of enzyme catalyzed reaction. So metabolic pathway is talking about the sequence or series of enzymatic catalyzed reaction, which is composed of the reactant, intermediate, and product. We also have another term which is referred to as metabolites. Metabolite is a term which is used to describe the either reactant, intermediate, or product. That is, whether a reactant or product or intermediate can be referred to as metabolites. So simply, metabolism is talking about the sequence or the sum total of chemical reaction taking place within the living organism, within the living system. This is all what I have for you in this short video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. I relate to be Mubarak Ismail, MI, common sense is not always a useful check. Thank you.